The Reaction Plan Manager++ software solution eliminates operator confusion by converting part measurement data into process control information in real time. It's designed to be used on the shop floor by machine operators to guide them through the process of adjusting their machine to prevent machine downtime. The Reaction Plan Manager++ software solution does not provide a history of events. What happened last shift? Did the operator measure his parts and adjust his machine as outlined in the reaction plan? Based on a history, are there any features that need attention by engineering? The Reaction Plan Manager++ shop floor view software is used by management and engineering to answer these types of questions. It displays current process status information and provides tools to view a history of events with data analytics. While your machine operators are measuring parts and using the Reaction Plan Manager++ software to get machine adjustment instructions, the results of each analysis are stored in a database. The Reaction Plan Manager++ shop floor view software will use the captured data to show the status of each process or machine in a dashboard. The Process Status Dashboard displays current process status information. The dashboard contains process status buttons. Each button identifies the process and has a background color of green, yellow, or red, which is normal, warning, and critical severity respectively. How the buttons are grouped are customizable. They are organized by process name and date. So you can control how the buttons are grouped here at the bottom. In this example, we've got cell 100, cell 200, cell 300, cell 400, and cell 500. All of the cells are underneath the manufacturing plant. At a glance, you can identify which process is having problems and the last time the data was analyzed for each machine. A click of a button lets you drill down into the event data for that particular machine by displaying the reaction plan view. The Reaction Plan View provides tools to display a history of reaction plan events, retrieve reports, and perform data analytics for a process. The event history is displayed as lists arranged by time with the most current on top. Each event is easy to identify by date, location, part ID, and severity. You pick the start time, end time, and location to filter the events. Click on the event from the list to retrieve the information displayed to the operator at that date and time. The information includes operator instructions, dimension information, process information, and last run information. This is the information that would be displayed in Reaction Plan Manager. The software can be used by management as a management tool. A manager can see exactly what process control information the operator saw at any given time for each machine. Using this information, he can determine if parts are being measured to control the process and if the operators are using the information to make machine corrections. The data analytics will help identify where to allocate engineering resources. So I can look at this and quickly tell, using the data analytics, how many events occurred that were normal, had a normal severity, warning severity, and critical severity. If the number of events for the warning and normal are high, excessive, it would lead me to want to drill down further into the data and look at the individual reports. I can then see if if the operator is really making these adjustments, or maybe I need to contact engineering and get them involved so that they can fix whatever problem exists in the process. Used as an engineering tool, the data analytics give engineers tools to quickly pinpoint features that require attention. Detailed process information is provided to help diagnose and resolve process problems. So an engineer can drill down even deeper into the data to see each specific characteristic that's being analyzed, as far as whether it's how many events occurred that were normal, warning, or critical. I can then identify the specific characteristics as having problems and then work on that problem. You can attach engineering notes to the process for tracking actions taken on equipment. The engineering notes have a time and a date associated with them. So I can use the filtering tools to figure out the notes, when the notes were displayed and what notes existed over the course of a duration of time. A very handy tool when you're trying to diagnose problems on a particular machine. The data storage. It supports multi-user client-server applications by storing data to Microsoft SQL Server. For single-user local applications, data is stored in SQLite database files. The benefits. Better allocation of resources. Understanding what happened in the past makes it easier to plan. Cost savings from a reduction in engineering hours supporting the floor, machine downtime, and scrap. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the software product, contact your local distributor or send us an email at sales@beckerqualitysolutions.com.